Hey there, fellow travelers. Mark here with Wolters World, and we're in Ottawa, Canada, the capital of Canada. And today what we have for you are the 5 things you're going to love and hate about visiting Ottawa. Now, let's get started. And you know I like to get the bad news out of the way first. So the first thing you might not like about Ottawa is it can get a bit dull at night, okay? Now, what you have is a government center, so a lot of people work here, but they're actually coming from Alberta or Vancouver or Toronto. And so on the weekends, a lot of people take off. And so it kind of feels a little bit of a ghost town with tourists when you are here on the weekends. Also at night, some people say there's not a lot of nightlife. You can find some, but you do need to ask, okay? So just know sometimes it can feel a little bit dull. Though it has really cool sights to see, because it's the capital, it's got fantastic museums, which I'll talk about later. But just know, it could get a little dull, okay? So they do actually try to do cool things at night to help out. In the summer, they do light up the Parliament and they do all kinds of things there, but it is what it is, okay? The second thing you might not like is when you're walking around, you know, if you're coming from Toronto or you're coming from Montreal, a lot of money there, a lot of tourists there, it's really been spruced up a lot. And the thing is, here in Ottawa, they have really good bones, really good sites, some good architecture, all kinds of things you can really enjoy. But it just looks like they haven't cleaned it up for a while. And it needs a little bit of, you know, a little elbow grease and it'll be fine. But there's sometimes you might feel a little uncomfortable. I mean, not really too often, but just something about it just makes it feel a little bit run down. And they're doing things to do that. You see a lot of road construction. They're trying to clean up different things out around here. I mean, we were walking around right by the Bayward Market yesterday, and there was another family walking by us. And the lady was like, yeah, this is a little bit of a sketchy area. I didn't find it too bad, but just know that some of the things may make it feel a little bit run down. But what's cool is Ottawa still is super safe. I mean, Ottawa's way safer than the US capital by far. So don't worry about anything bad. Just know it might feel a little bit run down. It might make you feel a little unsafe, but you shouldn't feel unsafe, okay? But that's just one thing you might not like. The third thing you're not gonna like about coming to Ottawa is the parking and the driving downtown. Finding parking, pain in the butt. Driving down here, lots of one-way streets. Make sure you got your GPS on and you're using that, because what happens is your little maps you have like in your books don't always tell you which one's the one way, the other way, and it can get a bit frustrating. And be prepared to stop in front of your hotel, fill up the luggage rack, leave somebody with the luggage while the other person goes and parks the car, okay? So just be ready for the driving downtown and the parking. Now I will say, it is a lot easier in the summer, especially on the weekends, because the people downtown aren't working, so it takes away a lot of the traffic. But just be prepared for that. The fourth thing you're not going to like about Ottawa is it is expensive. I mean, guys, this is the capital city. You have a lot of high-paid government officials here that got to spend money, and they know that people come here for work, so it has business class prices. So the restaurants and the hotels are a bit expensive. But what's cool is you can find places like at the Bayward Market where you can get good prices on food. You go to Chinatown and you can find deals, but just know if you're in the main district down here, it's a little tough to find deals. So make sure you ask your hotel or ask the locals, because the people here have been very nice. You know, I mean, I'm used to DC where people are like, don't talk to me. You know, and here they actually are friendly and will give you advice on where to go and what to see and where to save money. So the fifth thing you might not like about when you come to Ottawa is if you come here in the winter time, and I know we talk about this a lot with Canada, yes, it does get cold and it gets snowy and just plain blah. But this blah feeling you get is when you get outside the center here, when you get to like kind of the urban sprawl of Ottawa, getting away from the beautiful Parliament here and things like that, it can kind of drag on you with the dark weather in the winter and the snow and all these things. So make sure if you do come here in the winter, you are prepared. Realize there are a lot of great things to do inside here, like the museums we talked about. Also, take advantage of the nature things they do have that takes advantage of the snow, like the ice skating, like going on the canals, as like in the Gatineau Park and all these things, because it can make a difference, because the gloom and doom of winter is kind of bad here, so just be prepared for it. But that's just the things you're not going to like. I mean, nothing's really that bad here in Ottawa. It's a nice lukewarm bath kind of place. You know, there's nice museums, there's all kinds of fun stuff, but we'll get into that now with the 5 things you're going to love about Ottawa. The first thing you're going to love is it's very compact. The main site, the Museum of Civilization, the National Gallery of Canada, the Parliament, the Rideau Canal, all these things we talk about in our top 10 things to see in Ottawa are all right here. you can easily walk. So yes, our car we don't want to use our car too much, but you don't have to. You can walk to Bayward Market, you can come to Parliament, you can do all these things and not worry about it. So that's one of the things I really enjoy about it. The second thing I really enjoy about coming to Ottawa is the Bayward Market. Going there and wandering around, great little restaurants, great little shops, fruit stands, ice cream, souvenir shops, normal boutiques, cool things, all down there. It's well worth spending your time. Yesterday, we wanted to spend, the day walking around the city. We went to Bayward and just stayed there. We met a fantastic guy at one of the Indian restaurants there. We ended up talking to him for 2 hours because the people there were really nice, really cool, great food all throughout there. And it's just one of those great European feels when you get these outdoor markets that you get to have there. And that's why it's the second thing we love about this place. The third thing you're gonna love about coming to Ottawa is that they have really great museums here. I mean, this is the national capital. So you do have the National Gallery of Canada, the Museum of Civilization of Canada, these kind of places, the Canadian Museum of Nature, the great Natural Science Museum. They have really fantastic museums here. I mean, Ottawa's less than 1 million people, but they have museums for the cities the size of Toronto and New York. And that's really cool about it is you get to have kind of a smaller city feel with really big city, great museums. So make sure you take the time to go check out some of the museums. The War Museum here is cool too, all kinds of great stuff. But again, we go into that in our top 10 Ottawa video, which you should really watch to see what you should see when you are here. The fourth thing you're gonna like about coming here is there's nature nearby. That's the way I'd put it, but what the locals will tell you is Gatineau Park. You go across the river into Quebec. Yes, Quebec's on the other side of Ontario. So hey, you can get 2 provinces for the price of 1 hotel. And you go to Gatineau Park. Winter, you can go skating there, you can go snowshoeing, which is kind of cool because I never did it before, okay? Which is neat because you're like, well, I'm wearing tennis rackets, which is nice. In the summer, great place to take the family for a picnic or go biking, or hitch the kid on the back of the bike, ride around, have a picnic, enjoy the lakes, just get some sun. Because guys, Canada isn't a winter wasteland all year round, okay? It's great in the summer because it's not too hot and they've got sun more hours than you do in the US. So enjoy the nature that's here. Also, you have the Rideau Canal, which you can go see and skate on in the winter, but also gives you a great picture of the Chateau Laurier, one of the famous hotels here. Actually, it's right over there. Really great thing to do. And the fifth thing you're gonna love about coming to Ottawa, I'm gonna tie a few things together. One, it's the people, it's the festivals, and there's lots of good stuff for kids to do here. Now with that is, I've come here to Ottawa. When you go to a capital city, it's a very much usually a transient kind of city. People come in for their terms as a parliamentarian and things like that, and then they leave. Well, here you don't have that I don't care about my town feel. You have that friendly atmosphere here. Service has been nice. The people I've met, whether it's down at the Bayward Park or it's in Little Italy or wherever, people have been quite nice here, so that's cool. Also, they have lots of festivals. We're here for the Busker Festival in the end of July, beginning of August, and it's really nice to do those things. Also, there's a lot of great stuff for kids, whether it's going to the Museum of Canadian Civilization or the Canadian Museum of Civilization, or you're going to the Museum of Nature, or you're going to the Kids Museum is actually at the Canadian Museum of Civilization. Whether the things they have here, the green parks, there's just a lot of good stuff for kids. So I kind of wrapped a bunch of things into that number 5, friendly people, cool festivals, and good for kids. And so those are the 5 things that we love and hate about coming to Ottawa. What are yours? Leave us a comment below with your loves and hates of Ottawa, because it is a kind of a cool place. So, you got the beautiful architecture, and we didn't even get too much into that. But leave your comments in the comment section below for the things you love and hate. And please, if you're coming here, check us out. We've got the top 10 things to do and see when you're here in Ottawa. 5 things you love and hate about Canada, 10 facts about Ottawa, all kinds of great stuff. All on our website at www.woltersworld.com. We're also on Twitter and Facebook, and we really appreciate your likes and subscriptions. And goodbye from Ottawa, Canada, the capital of beautiful Canada. Bye.